I closed one of my long position, bratans, but one long position is still open and another long position I'm preparing right now, and I show you exactly the indicators which I'm watching for, because I'm expecting one last quick drop to the downside and then the relief rally will continue. 7K. So let us quickly go here through. By the way, I wrote this also already in our Telegram group, which is absolutely for free, what is happening here. So let me explain you here again. So what I'm here watching right now, the one of most important things which we are watching is the moving averages, right? And here the moving average, the blue line, right? You see here this blue line, this is a 200 moving average. I expecting, because we are retesting so often these 50 moving average, this is this blue line, right? I expecting that we will see another huge, I mean, it's not a huge drop, but to retest the daily before we will continue the relief rally to the upside. Therefore, I closed one of my long position, one I have still open, but I set a limit order, long limit order to 21,800. Even if we don't see here drop down to 21,800, I still have one long open. So this is one of the indicators which for me is still showing clearly that we will see here further going to the upside. Another indicator is the S&P 500. And one thing was what I told you in the yesterday's video, that we saw here a bounce perfectly as we expected here on this white line. This is this massive resistance line back to 2021, right? Which we are speaking about since, I don't know, since months, right? This is one thing. The another thing is, I expecting here that we could see a retest, another retest, because you see here we broke below all our moving averages, 20, 50, 100, 200, right? We broke down, retested here our support line, and then I expecting it we could see S&P 500 also retesting here this purple line, this 200 moving average, before we will see another big relief rally to the upside. So this is for me another indicator, which another indicator clearly showing us that the relief rally is not over, is our total crypto market cap. Very important to watch, bratans. And here we knew perfectly when was we knew perfectly when we reached the bottom. This was, we watched the total crypto market cap of the 2017-18 bull market, and I told you as soon as we retesting the total crypto market cap 2017, 2018, like here, we will see relief rally to the upside and we will reach the bottom. And exactly this happened. We retested here the previous bull run, and then we saw here this relief rally to the upside, right? And right now we are retesting this white line again, and this is what I'm expecting here. We could see another small drop. I mean, it's it's over how much? It's over 30 billion, which we could see 3 billion, which we could see, no, even 30 billion, no, 20 billion, which we could see here drop down before we will see a pump to the upside. And this would also perfectly create here a double bottom, right? This is what I'm expecting. So therefore, bratan, here you see I wrote in the Telegram group, this is my long position, which is still open. It's right now around $8,000-9,000 in profit, 325% in profit. But the another wait a minute. Another long position is still, this long position is open, but another long position is closed, which I showed you also here, but I prepared the long at 21,800, right? So, but that's, if you want to see more of my alerts, more signals, more news, what I'm doing with when my long is getting open or when I'm closing a long, when I'm opening short, you can join this Telegram group absolutely for free. And also I have a Discord channel. There's a crypto trading course, also absolutely for free. How you can join it? It's very easy here, link in the description, but it's very easy. Basically 2 steps: make registration on Bybit, deposit 500, wait a minute, here, deposit $500 on your Bybit account and you get free access to my Discord and Telegram channel. So very, very easy, bratans. And there, inside of this group, there's, it's too much to explain. Just check it out, bratans. If you like it, I think you don't want to miss out of this, because this is really the maximum value which you can get for a free group, in my opinion. So right now, let's go, and by the way, more than the most of the other paid groups. So right now, Ethereum, as we are expecting that Bitcoin go to 27K, expecting also Ethereum still go to 1,840, right? 17% at least, or we could even go to 2,500. Why to 2,500? Because if we're zooming out at 2,500 and Ethereum, there's Shanghai update coming in March, so this month, right? So we are expecting here to see massive pump, and this could happen. I mean, right now people screaming it cannot be, it's not possible, but you know how it usually happens. It could happen in 1 day or even in 2 days that we see a pump of 59%. So this is the maximum what I'm expecting for Ethereum. Why 2,500? Because you see here on this white line there is a lot of here, for example, here's support, resistance. Here's a lot of support, and here's support and resistance. So this line would definitely turn into massive resistance line, right? So very clear in my opinion. And another quick thing, the recession, it's not over, or we are going into big recession. So this is only a relief rally to the upside. This is not the bull market. Bull market will happen after the halving. This is what usually historically happened. And also we see the Fed will not decrease the interest rate. So right now it's only a relief rally to the upside, right? Which we're expecting to go to 27,000 because of the monthly resistance, right? So, but why I can prove also another thing why the recession is not over. We have to watch here. Wait a minute here. I showed you already, but maybe you didn't see it. This is the US Treasury 10-year to 3-month spread. And you see, as soon as we had this invert curved, you see the red lines. Right after, negative spreads consistently followed by recession within 1 to 2 years. So always when we had this invert curve, you see this red, how it called? You see it. Right after, you see the gray space. This is the recession. Right after happened always a recession. You see here, the red line, then the gray, how it called? The gray area. Recession. You see invert, red area, and then the gray area recession happened. And look, guess what? Right now happening 2022, 2023. You see we are perfectly in this invert curve right now, and we will see end of this year exactly like also Michael Burry predicted. Q3, Q4, we will see a massive recession, and this is amazing. So this when we could see Bitcoin back to 15K or even to 10K, and hopefully we will see it, because then we can buy back Bitcoin very cheap, we can buy Ethereum very cheap, we can buy FXS very cheap, AGX, and so on and so on. So therefore, Bratan, watch out for this. Right now I'm buying FXS and AGX, like I showed you also in the Telegram group, Bratans. This is the one coin FXS, which we're expecting to go to at least back to the all-time high at $14 or even $70. Even if not, I'm watching these coins. For example, FXS, we are watching to go to $100 or even $300 in the bull market 2024. So even if right now in the relief rally, it's not reaching the all-time high, it's not a problem, because here AGX also we're expecting in the relief rally to go back to 55 cents or even back to 66 cents. This will be 52%, but in the long run even to $1 or $2. So therefore these coins I'm watching not only for the relief rally but also for the bull run 2024 2025. If you want more of these coins, of these altcoin gems, I would call it, all in the Telegram group, Bratans, absolutely for free. How to join it, you know it, link in the description, Bratans. And if you have any questions, write me there. I answering usually their questions, Bratan. Thank you for watching. I kiss you and I see you later. Mwah.